Hey there, let's talk about how to be fit as a fiddle to supersize and grow your business. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. And our idiom for today for supersize your business is fit as a fiddle. Now, I hate to admit it, but I didn't really realize that a fiddle and a violin are actually the exact same thing. I even Googled it because I read that in the origin of the idiom and I'm like, interesting. I always thought that a fiddle was more country, more colloquial, and less, more casual music, I guess, and a different type of instrument than a violin. But they're actually the exact same instrument. It's just how they're played that is different. So fiddle means violin. If they are synonyms for one another, there is no difference. But in the past, it's had a positive connotation, meaning a fiddle is something that has good energy and good feelings and good vibrations, obviously, and good things associated with it. So whenever we were saying and comparing something and saying that it was good or fit for use or something that we wanted or the way we wanted it to be, we would say it was fit as a fiddle, meaning it's good, it's as it should be or better, it's in great condition, it's doing what it's supposed to do. And all those things are how we want to describe our business, right? We want our business to be serving people in the way that it's supposed to be serving them. We want it to be doing things in a positive way that makes the world a better place. So is it proper? Is it well suited? Is it apt? Is it appropriate for the situation, the use? That's what we want to ask ourselves, on a regular basis about our business. But more than that, there's a couple things that this brings to mind to me. And since we're focusing on physical well-being and physical health the month of May for the Get Your Goals Annual Challenge, I want to tie that into idioms that have to do with our physical well-being, our physical health. Not just us, but how are you taking care of ourselves? That's critical, because if we don't take care of ourselves, we can't take care of anything else or anyone else, meaning the people that we love and care about, the people that we're here to serve, as well as our business. I found that in 2010, I had not been taking care of myself at all, and that caused me to have a sudden cardiac arrest, dead stop, literally dead stop, and everything that I thought was important up until that point ended up changing and shifting. And I had to revise the way I was thinking, the way I was living, the things I was doing, and the choices I was making, because they weren't obviously in my own best interests. And by reprioritizing my physical well-being, my mental well-being, my spiritual well-being, my emotional well-being, and first and foremost, my physical well-being, by eating right, taking care of myself, hydrating, sleeping, all those things that I hadn't been doing, it made a huge difference, not only in my personal life, but in my ability to show up in my businesses. So, question for you today: how well do you take care of yourself on a scale of 1 to 10? How well do you take care of your people? And by your people, you get to decide who they are. Are they your friends and family? Are they your coworkers? Are they your employees and team members? How well do you take care of them on a scale of 1 to 10? And then how well do you take care of your business? Guess what? As much as we hate to admit it, how well we take care of ourselves is all we have to give to our business. So if I ask myself these questions, I say, I'm about a 4 in terms of self-care in different areas and aspects of my life, but especially physically. Guess what? I only have a 4 worth of energy and skills and abilities to bring to and grow my business. Am I going to supersize my business at a 4? Probably not. So it gives me pause to think about, well, what can I do to take care of myself better, take care of my people better, and therefore, guess what? There's a secret out there. If you take care of yourself and your people, your business will take care of itself. And they will, and you will take care of your business. All right, love to know your take on this particular idiom, fit as a fiddle. Anybody else out there not know that a fiddle and violin were the same thing and are brave enough to admit it? Hit me up. Otherwise, have an awesome day, and I will, of course, be with you tomorrow.